These 400s come with a little knockout here built in the fairing where you can install a 12-volt outlet or a USB charger or anything like that. The bike is pretty much pre-wired for it. The only thing you need is a relay kit from Kawasaki or an aftermarket relay. I'm pretty lazy, so I just bought the Kawasaki kit. That's the part number for it. The Kawasaki kit is basically going to get you a little set of instructions and a relay. It's just a basic 12-volt relay. The outlet you can also buy from Kawasaki, but that's really overpriced and you're probably not going to want to do that. There's tons of options for chargers or outlets that you can stick in there. I got this one off Amazon. Has a little voltmeter readout also on it. Now to install it, turn the bars to the right. You can take the fairing off to get at all this too, but it's kind of pointless. You don't really need to. Right in here you'll find the wiring. This big square connector is where your relay is going to connect. You're going to see right here, this is the flasher relay for your signal lights, and right in front of it there's another little bracket right there, and that's where the relay is going to mount. So we'll just connect the relay. Then route the wire over so the relay can mount on the bracket. There you can see the new relay mounted on the bracket in front of the flasher relay. You see these male and female bullet connectors. These are what's going to power up with the ignition now that the relay is in place. This is where the wiring for your outlet is going to connect. Now I've seen people installing these since these bikes came out, but I haven't noticed anyone mention this yet. Down in the tail section here, there's a little bundle of wiring right here for your tail lights and your rear indicators. Down inside there you can see there's two more little bullet connectors, a male and a female. Those also receive power from that relay. So once the relay is installed, the power of the front outlet, you can also attach a second one back here. You could basically install an outlet under your tail section to charge a phone or something like that while you're riding. This is the knockout removed from the fairing. You just remove this single screw from the back side of it. The bracket will pop off and the whole thing will come out. So for the outlet itself, just made up a couple of wire leads to connect to the outlet. Male and female bullet connectors to connect to the bike. This particular one is a very snug fit, so it basically has to thread down into it. So now we've got the positive and negative leads from the outlet and the positive and negative bullet connectors from the bike. We just need to connect them up. I think now I'll tie these wires up so it's a little tidier in there. I'm not a huge fan of these bullet connectors either. I'm going to try them. If I notice they're coming loose or anything, I might just hardwire this in. And that's the finished product.